Notebook LM plus Claude Opus 4.8. Automate everything now. Two AI tools just got a lot more powerful. And when you combine them, they can run entire workflows for the AI Profit Boardroom on their own. That's what this is about. Let's start with what just dropped. Claude Opus 4.8 shipped on May 28th. Anthropic released it just 41 days after Opus 4.7. That's the fastest turnaround on a flagship model they've ever done. And the reason it matters for what we're doing is a feature called dynamic workflows. Here's what that means. Claude can now plan a task, spin up hundreds of sub-agents running in parallel, verify the outputs, and hand you back the finished result. One developer on Reddit ran over 1,000 sub-agents in a single session. Without dynamic workflows, that would have needed custom code to orchestrate. Now, Claude writes its own orchestration scripts and does it automatically. And at the same time, Notebook LM just added automatic Google Drive syncing. So any Google Doc, sheet, or slide you've linked as a source inside Notebook LM will now update in real time. You change the doc, Notebook LM pulls it in without you having to do anything manually. That went live May 26th. Put these two things together and you've got a research and execution stack that doesn't need much from you. Here's how we use this for the AI Profit Boardroom. Notebook LM holds all our knowledge. Our SOPs, member onboarding guides, workshop transcripts, sales call notes, community feedback, all of it lives in there as grounded sources. When we ask it anything, it pulls from those actual documents. It doesn't guess, it cites. That's the key difference from a normal AI chat. You get answers that are locked to your real content. Then Claude Opus 4.8 handles the execution. Once Notebook LM surfaces what we need, Claude takes it and runs. Writing, building, repurposing, automating, Claude does the heavy lifting. Let me walk you through the actual workflows, not theory. Real ones we'd run for the AI Profit Boardroom. Member onboarding content. About. Claude drafts full onboarding content from real member questions. Notebook LM stores and syncs it as a living document that updates automatically. Claude prompt. Here are 20 questions new members asked this week inside the AI Profit Boardroom support tickets and community posts. Write a detailed step-by-step onboarding guide that answers every question in our tone, organized by week 1 through week 4, and structured so it can also become a welcome video script we read out loud. Claude result. Detailed week-by-week onboarding guide built from real member questions, fully formatted and ready to publish or record in under 2 minutes. Now paste that guide into a Google Doc and connect it to Notebook LM as a live source. Because of the new automatic drive syncing, any edits you make to that doc update inside Notebook LM in real time without re-uploading. Based on our community guidelines, past member feedback, and our 30-day success plan, what gaps or missing steps exist in this onboarding guide? Notebook LM result. Specific list of missing onboarding steps grounded in your actual community data and member history, not generic suggestions. If you want the full setup, how to build these workflows, how to connect Notebook LM to your SOPs, how to use Claude Opus 4.8's dynamic workflows to automate your onboarding, your content, your support, your research, come into the AI Profit Boardroom. We've built a 30-day roadmap specifically around running these Notebook LM and Claude Opus 4.8 workflows inside a real business. You'll get 4 live coaching calls every week where we go deep on exactly this stack and how to use it to get more customers and save time. Daily tutorials walking you through every step. A community of 2,800 business owners automating with these exact tools. A prompt library built for these workflows. And a member map so you can connect with other people near you who are running the same stack. The link is in the description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Weekly workshop brief. About. Claude pulls the key insights from 4 coaching call transcripts. Notebook LM cross-references them against all previous briefs to surface recurring patterns the team keeps missing. Claude prompt. Here are the full transcripts from this week's 4 AI Profit Boardroom coaching calls. Identify the top 3 problems members raised most frequently, the best practical solutions that were shared live on the calls, any follow-up actions that were promised to members, and write all of this as a clean 1-page brief that members can read before next week's session. Claude result. Structured one-page weekly brief covering key problems, solutions, and follow-ups, ready to post inside the community the same day. Drop that brief into Notebook LM as a Google Doc source alongside every previous weekly workshop brief you've published. Ask it, looking across all our workshop briefs, which member problems keep coming up week after week that we haven't fully resolved with a dedicated training or resource yet? Notebook LM result. Pattern report showing recurring unresolved member pain points across all past workshops, giving you a direct roadmap for what to build next inside the community. Content repurposing pipeline. About. Claude transforms one live training session into 5 separate platform-ready content assets. Then Notebook LM audits the full content library to show exactly where the gaps are. Claude prompt. Here is the full transcript from our AI Profit Boardroom Thursday live training on AI automation for lead generation. Create a LinkedIn post that drives community signups, a Twitter thread breaking down the top 3 takeaways, a short email for our subscriber list, a YouTube video description optimized for search, and 3 short pull quotes we can turn into branded graphics for social. Claude result? 5 completely different platform-ready content pieces produced from one training session, all done inside a single prompt run without any manual rewriting. Add all 5 pieces into Notebook LM as sources alongside your existing content archive. Ask it, looking at everything we've published this quarter across all formats, which AI automation topics have we covered the least, and which ones do our members ask about most in the community? Notebook LM result? Prioritized content gap report showing which topics are underserved in your library and most in demand from your actual members right now. The playbook is already built. Notebook LM holds your knowledge base. Opus 4.8 executes at scale. You stay on strategy. If you want the full setup, how to build these workflows, how to connect Notebook LM to your SOPs, how to use Claude Opus 4.8's dynamic workflows to automate your onboarding, your content, your support, your research, come into the AI Profit Boardroom. We've built a 30-day roadmap specifically around running these Notebook LM and Claude Opus 4.8 workflows inside a real business. You'll get 4 live coaching calls every week where we go deep on exactly this stack and how to use it to get more customers and save time. Daily tutorials walking you through every step. A community of 2,800 business owners automating with these exact tools, a prompt library built for these workflows, and a member map so you can connect with other people near you who are running the same stack. The link is in the description, or go to AIProfitBoardroom.com. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like these, join the AI Success Lab. It's free. You'll get all the notes from this video, plus access to a community of 67,000 members using AI to build better businesses. Links are in the comments and description.